sunset. We can watch the sunset. Watch the sunset. We can watch the sunset. Look at the sky. Watch the sunset. We can watch the sunset. I have to leave. Watch the sunset. There goes the rainbow.
Little.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Nizzy's Playhouse. It's your girl Nizzy, and I'm back again. And if you aren't doing so already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Let me know you rocking with your girl in my pink do-rag or whatever. Yeah. Today's video is about the eyeshadow palette that a lot of you guys might have seen on Amazon. It is the AFU eyeshadow palette. I have this one in the deep sensuous deep sensuous eyeshadow. And so let me show you guys. This palette is $18 on Amazon, and it comes in a variety of colors. I got the darker one just because fall is coming up, and I do want to do some like dark fall vampy looks for you guys. But they do come in a brighter shade. So let me show you guys the palette. These colors are so beautiful and they're so pigmented. It does come with a big old mirror. As you guys can see my setup. It does come with a big old mirror, and overall, like, I love the packaging. It's smooth and it's not cardboard, so it's not. I can tell that it's not gonna get dirty or whatever. But let me do some swatches for you guys. The one that really jumped out to me was this this blue shade right here, and so let me do a swatch for you guys. Ooh, check out that pigment. That one was called Fantastic. Now this next one is Sadness. So I do have some shimmery ones for you guys. Let me swatch a matte one. They're very pigmented. That one was called Spiritual. Let me find one more matte shade. So man, like off that, like these are like super pigmented, and you can tell that, you can kind of tell they go kind of smooth. It feels like butter a little bit. So this is probably a high quality. Ew, you eat chitlins? So this is a high quality palette, I feel like. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a mini look for you guys using this palette. This palette was $18 on Amazon. I will leave the link down below so that you can purchase this. They also have some kind of promotion going on. I'll leave the code down below. It's like you buy one, you get one free, I believe. So take advantage, sis. So let's go ahead and get into this little look or whatever, and let me know what you guys think. Okay, so starting off, I'm gonna do a transition color one called Liberty. I kind of want to use the same color as my skin, just so that it's a transition color. So, ooh, Lord, right off bat, I'm using this this eyeshadow brush that I got in my BoxyCharm brush. It's the Eyeliner set, and it's been picked up a lot. I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a lot of pigment on this brush right now. So, ooh, did y'all see that? I don't know if you can see that, but let me see. There's a lot of smoke out coming out, so let me see. These colors are blending very well. I only have that one shade of Liberty on, you know, in my transition area, and it is blending so smooth, so smooth. Next, I'm gonna go in with this shade called Pumpkin right here. It's kind of like an orange shade, and let's just pack that in. I guess this color is pigmented. I was expecting it to be a little bit more orangey, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the edges so that there's no harsh lines or whatever. Now, I have blended that pumpkin out. I'm gonna go ahead and darken that up with this shade called Noble. Looks like a kind of a brown black shade, just to darken it up. Blending pretty smooth, so I do like that color, and it did help to darken up that crease area a little bit. So yes, this look is about to be bomb than I hope. So what I'm gonna do next is go in with my ColourPop concealer, the No Filter concealer. This is in the color Fair 02, and I'm taking this brush that I got from this art store. It's called the 700K F8 Filibert, the number 8. So this is the one I'm using to cut my crease. So I done cut that crease perfectly. I'm so excited for myself. That means it's gonna be a good day today. So yeah, let me see if I can get this other one to match. That's the problem, sis. Crease has been cut. I'm ready to pack some color on. I am using one of the Alamar brushes from the BoxyCharm set again. This is my favorite one. It picks up color really well. This one called Sadness right here. It's really cute and I really like it, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna take this color right here called Friendship, and I'm gonna see if that looks better. See if you can actually see that one. I'm a tad bit upset about the palette altogether because, as you can see, like in the previous video I said I swatched it for you guys and it looked a little different, but it's like, this is the color that I have on my eye right now, and you can't see it. So I'm upset. Maybe let me try packing it on. See that? Yep, that's it. With this, you have to pack it on. Now I see it all the way. That's crazy. So that's way better. Packing it on with your fingers is way better. So do that, sis. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some eyeliner real quick. Shit, where'd it go? I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner. This is in the color Midnight. It's the one that's next to black. They always have this one at the dollar store, so that's why I always get it, but yeah. Alright girls, so I'm back with some more lashes on. I have the lashes and everything on. So this is the final eyeshadow look. Overall, this palette, I guess I'll give this palette, I'm working with it. I see with the shimmers, you have to place it, you know, pack it on your hand and place it. And then the matte shades, they blend it really well. I do recommend this eyeshadow palette, sis. You have to try this. You have got to try this palette, and let me know what looks you've created with it. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, concerns. This eyeshadow palette was Amazon. I'm sorry, these like lashes are like huge, girl, but I'm working it. But anyways, this eyeshadow palette was Amazon Prime, so I was able to get it in 2 business days. So go ahead and try them out, sis. Let me know what you guys think. AFU Cosmetics. So yeah, and as always, thank you for watching.
I wish I